Happy 2026, y'all. Welcome in, everybody. How y'all doing today? SalonDivaV in the place to be, y'all. Prepping for my spring garden. So, y'all, coming in today. She is Sunshine. Gave us some sweet sop seeds. I'll show you guys right here. And they are all wet. I didn't mean to get them all wet. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take them out of here. And I'm going to, and they're pretty big seeds, as you guys can see. And I'm going to put them in these little pots, the little peat pellets right here. But I'm not planting all of them. I'm going to plant just 3. And be careful out there, bro. Love you. 1, 2, and 3. And I'm going to take these 3 and put them in another napkin and let them dry out before they try to sprout. And I'm going to take this and just cover them up. These peat pellets have been soaking for at least a week now. Make sure they're covered. And pressing them down so they make contact with the soil. And just like that. And we're going to come in and probably do some spinach or some lettuce in these over here. I'm making sure that they're covered and they have good contact with the soil. And once they start growing, I'm just going to put them into a bigger pot. Once I finish, I'm going to close that so it'll be like a little greenhouse for them. But right now, I think I'm going to grab some more seeds and add to these 2. All right, so y'all hold the line while I go run and get my other seeds. Okay, so here is our seeds that we have. Corn salad, tatsoi, spinach, pak choi, black seeded Simpson lettuce, butter crunch lettuce, Swiss chard, kale, mustard greens, and arugula. So I am going to do some kale. And this is lacinato kale. And I'm going to put 2 to a pack. 2 to a pellet, I should say. If I can get, oh, snap, they tiny. So let me see. Put my glasses on so I can see. Try to get 2. Oh, wait, let's move this out the way. Oh, look, we got one right there. And take that one. I hope I got him. I don't know. I'm just going to drop a couple of them in there. 1, and then 2. And then I'm just going to press them down like that. And hopefully they all went in there. All right, and those, and I can see them on top now. Let me see if I can grab some from over here and put it on there. It might not be a big deal. I just like to be sure. Okay, so that's the lacinato kale. And it was just those two. And this one, I'm going to do some spinach. Then this is Bloomsdale spinach. And the spinach seeds are pretty big, y'all. So I'll do 1 right there and 1 right here. We're just gonna press it down in there and then cover it. And then I'm gonna do 1 right here and 1 right here. I'm gonna press them down in there and cover it. Make sure that it's covered and it is in contact with the soil. And then the last one, we're gonna do some tatsoi, and this is the Black Knight tatsoi. And I feel like these seeds are just as small, so I'm just gonna scrape some, and then drop them in the center and then cover them. Ooh, yeah. So I'm just gonna take a couple and put them in there, and then take their soil and just press them down. Just like that. All right. Let's put these back into the container. Oh. All right. So that is our Black Knight tatsoi right there. These 2 were spinach, and these 2 were kale. Okay. Lacinato kale, spinach, and tatsoi. Sugar sop, kale, spinach, tatsoi. And let me make a label for these right now. Okay, so I have them labeled. You guys can't read that, but I can. Well, you can. You can see the 3rd row is spinach, and the last one is tatsoi. And the first row, if you guys can see that, is the sweet sop. And the second row is the spinach and 2 kale. All right, y'all, so that is going to be it for this video, a real short video. I will be coming back to show you guys the rest of the things that I'm planning. I'm going to put this up. I'm going to label this first. This is a sweet sop, and when I did some investigation, it says it's not actually related to soursop. But it's called sweet sop. So hopefully we can grow these. Shout out to Sheer Sunshine for giving me these seeds. And then we'll be planting up some more seeds in the next upcoming video. All right, y'all. I'm SalonDivaV, and a place to be. My garden. See y'all next time. Peace.
Hey.